As a tech media active on YouTube, we work with all kinds of camera gear every single day. I know that if you want to shoot great looking videos, you not only need a good camera to handle image quality, but also a good tripod to keep the footage stable. Convenient enough, we received the one from the brand called COMAN, which is the tripod currently holding this camera right now. With so many features it has and many shooting scenarios it can adapt to, I genuinely want to recommend it to those of you who enjoy photography. If you're looking for a tripod that's versatile, well-built, and reasonably priced, then you should definitely watch this video till the end. The model is called the Mini V1. It is mainly made of aluminum alloy. After measuring it myself, the tripod together with the hydraulic head weighs around 1.68 kilograms. And in 58 centimeters long when folded. That's honestly excellent for an aluminum travel tripod. If your budget doesn't allow you to buy those insanely expensive carbon fiber tripods, then I think this one is an incredibly cost-effective solution. You get two expansion threads on either side. Its legs use a flip-lock design, and every section extends very smoothly while deploying extremely quickly. The locks are also very secure. Even when I intentionally bent the legs with force, they still wouldn't slide down. Without rising the center column, its maximum height is 127 centimeters. Extend the center column fully and it reaches 181 centimeters. In monopod mode, it can even exceed 190 centimeters. So to a certain extent, it's also capable of handling event recording work. For a budget tripod, the included hydraulic head genuinely surprised me. Its damping feels just right, making panning and tilting movements extremely smooth. There's also a magnetic wrench hidden inside, so you will never need to look for a coin to tighten the plates ever again. Of course, the head also supports the arc switch standard, meaning almost all mirrors, cages, and quick release plates can lock onto it properly. But honestly, my favorite part is this structure. It can let you switch the camera into vertical shooting mode. Because the camera is physically locked onto the 90-degree vertical position through a dedicated groove, you never have to worry about the typical issue where aging tripod heads slowly nod downward over time. This hydraulic head alone already makes the $70 price tag feel completely worth it to me. Another major selling point of it is how adaptable it is to different shooting scenarios. Besides the standard vertical shooting, the legs support 3 adjustable positions. It can also do horizontal shooting, inverted low-angle shooting, and a monopod mode. More importantly, switching between these different forms is not complicated at all because COMAN designed it for quick transitions. For example, there's a quick release slider at the bottom of the center column, allowing you to switch quickly between horizontal and vertical shooting without fully removing the center column. Turning it into a monopod is also very easy. You simply unscrew one of the legs and connect it to the center column. Although its maximum payload is rated at 5 kilograms, remember to follow the instructions during horizontal shooting and hang weight on the center column to maintain balance. I don't think anyone wants to gamble the precious camera against the physical limits of a tripod, right? Well, who exactly is this tripod for? I think there are two types of people who are especially suitable for it. The first type would be media workers like us or product photographers. We usually have our own studios, meaning the tripod stays in fixed locations most of the time, so its weight is no longer really a disadvantage. We also shoot a lot of top-down footage, such as unboxings or product detail shoots. On top of that, we often attend exhibitions and events where we constantly stop and move around, which is where the monopod mode becomes incredibly useful. For us, functionality and stability are the most important things. The second type would be solo YouTubers, vloggers, or photography enthusiasts. Their shooting environments are unpredictable and their subjects can vary widely, meaning there are a lot of unknown factors involved. That's exactly why they need a tripod capable of handling every kind of situations. The Mini V1's various configurations ensure you can still get stable footage in all kinds of environments. And on top of that, it's very affordable. For independent creators, what more could you ask for? This tripod from the COMAN left a very good impression on me. Aside from no levering bowl on the head, which makes levering slightly more troublesome, I really have no complaints about it as well. I'm not saying it's absolutely perfect or capable of defeating the flagship products from those famous brands. What I mean is that at the $70 price point, COMAN has already done the best possible job. If you want an even better tripod, you will probably have to spend more money. So if you're interested in this tripod, make sure to check the link in the description below. I'm Will from Gizmochina. We'll see you next time.